Hi guys, it's me again. You know me, I'm pretty sure. I just want to tell you that I have some pretty cool desk toys and I just want to show them to you. So, if you're wondering why I'm doing this right now, then I'll show you the first desk toy. It's the Fidget. Here it is up close. As you see, there are 2 rubber bands in a knot. You can just mess around with it like this. Or like, just do this. Or you can even make music with your teeth. That was very weird, but who cares? I like weird videos. Go subscribe to Bobby MMOs if you know who that is. I'm sorry you can't see my eyes, but I'm not trying to hide them. You know what they look like, right? The second fidget toy that I want to show you is the fidget braces. Let me just wait. In the meanwhile, just look at this. Just look at this. I don't care. Look at that. Now, wait a minute. So, you know those bracelets that come on clothes, they're kind of silver? You would fidget with them sometimes. I take them off and then fidget with them. I don't know about you, but I do. Yeah. So, this is another bracelet you can fidget around with. It's this bracelet. It's fidget bracelet. You can make some weird noises with it. And yeah, you already know the fidget cube and fidget spinner, which are really cool. So if you don't know them, you can go watch my second video, or if we get 25,000 likes, I'll delete this video. If we get 25 likes on this video, then we'll post another video. Then I'll delete this video and add this and the Fidgetfinity, this, with the fidget cube and fidget spinner if you don't know. 25 people who don't know that watch this video, please like. Please. 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 Please! Just please! I'm gonna eat the camera right now.